What's up, what's up, what's up? It's Chris Campbell from Sega Science. I have not posted some videos in a while, mostly because it's been raining like crazy. And it's just insane rain. Like, we've received 6 inches in the last 2-3 weeks. Something, it's crazy down here in South Florida. And today it's finally not raining, but of course, because it's so wet, it's like a sauna out here, so it's hot. I mean, hot. Heat index is like 102. 99% humidity. I think it's 150% humidity because it's like walking through water. So anyway, it's been ugly. What I'm doing today is I'm building I'm going to build a coal forge and then forge a knife out of using coal, having never done it before. So my research into coal forge is basically I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, big surprise, which is how I learned how to forge. And I got the parts already here. Ordered a box of coal from Amazon for relatively cheap. So I got myself an old ass hair dryer and we're gonna get to it. So let's look at my parts. I'm gonna start with some basic galvanized piping to get the bottom pipe. And this end here is going to be where the blow dryer goes in. That's where the ash falls. This is gonna hook to the bottom of the brake drum that I have, which is underneath, and I gotta pull it out. I'm gonna weld some stuff together and get to work. So let's watch it as it goes. There she is. Like I said, was not going to be pretty, but I really don't have that much of a desire to work with coal. But I need to learn how to do it because it's a skill set that maybe I needed one day. So I need to learn how to do it. I definitely got to figure out how to work the flame and make sure I can maintain and work some steel. So, got the box of coal. Let's hop to it because it is finished, however ugly it may be. Got it built, so I got to get to this. I got a storm coming. See the wind blowing in the background. It's pretty nasty, so I gotta be careful. Let's be honest. Really? How hard can it be? Okay. Something might be happening. All right, keep the air up a little bit. No heat. Well, first time trying, I got it lit. Now granted, that's more air than a hand crank would do, but it's hot, definitely. Let's see how hot, shall we? It ain't pretty, but it appears to be working. All right, I'm gonna call this a success, because that jack is hot. It's not pretty, but it's getting hot and the steel's getting hot. It works. I gotta work a small spot, but it works. And I'm learning a little bit now about making sure my steel doesn't get too hot. So I'm gonna forge out this round stock and I don't know, maybe make a paring knife or something. I don't know, but might as well make a paring knife with like an integral handle just to look cool and use that whiskey wood. from the whiskey barrel. Yeah, it's perfect. Good idea. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just play around with it, see how it goes. All right, let's eat. Sweet. Well, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Coforge was a success. The round stock came out to a nice little steak knife, and life is good. Learned a new skill, and now I have more options at my house instead of just propane. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.